Hey guys, and welcome to another video to help you make money online. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can leverage from one of the oldest websites around. I'm actually going to show you two great methods on how we can use the same website to find people who are actually looking to make money. And guess what? You're going to be just the person to help them. The website I'm going to show you is used by over 50 million people worldwide. However, the majority of its users are located in America. So this means the traffic coming to this site is Tier 1 traffic. This is a great opportunity to make some sales or promote your business. All you need to know is how to reach the right people. And that's what we're going to focus on today. We'll look at how and what to post and how we generate free traffic. And more importantly, how to monetize this traffic and make money. Now, the first way to get started, like in any business, is we need to have some products to sell. The way I prefer to sell is through affiliate marketing. For anyone who doesn't know what affiliate marketing is, it's where you are paid commissions to sell other people's products, which is great as you don't have to create your own products from scratch. Most affiliate programs usually provide you with promotional tools, such as product images and email templates, and of course the link to the website. So all the hard work is done for you, leaving you the simple job of only promoting the product. There are a few affiliate programs around these days. These are usually people promoting their own product, and they want you to purchase their program and then for you to promote their product for them and earn a commission. Well, the affiliate program I'll be sharing with you is nothing like what you've seen before, but I'll cover this later in the tutorial. Also, I've got an exclusive bonus for you at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. Let's head over to the computer and take a look. So the website we're going to be using is called Craigslist. Believe it or not, Craigslist has been around since the 90s. And it's a really old-looking site. You wouldn't think it gets 50 million visitors every single month. So, the main area we need to focus on is this area here, at the bottom of the site, where it says resume. Now, when you click resume, you'll find loads of people who are looking to make money or an additional income. So we can offer these people an opportunity to work from home and make money online. So, what we're going to do is we are going to open up every single one of these, and we're going to reach out and send messages to them all. A really cool feature on Craigslist is it allows you to send a response. So, what we do is click reply, then we copy and paste the text shown, and we go to our email and paste this. I have a Gmail account, so we can use this to send our emails to our prospective customers. So, let's do this. Open up your email account, press Compose New Email, and paste their email code into the send option. Now, when we send them a message, we want to make this really appealing, and we also need to add our affiliate link in the email. We want them to click the link and direct them to your offer. I've created a template we can use to send. So hang around to the end of this video and I'll share these templates with you. Then all you have to do is copy and paste the template. You can modify these to add your own words if you want. You then add your own affiliate link and press send. First off, we need to add a subject in the header section. As you will be sending your message directly to their email address, we need them to know this is in response to their resume on Craigslist. So I would type something like, your Craigslist resume. Now we copy in the text from the template. You need to make sure where it says your link. This must be your own affiliate link to direct them to your offer. You'll notice at the end of the email I've put, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Because you're going to be getting paid, you really shouldn't mind answering any queries they may have. Plus, you can get the answers from your affiliate website. Usually, if someone responds with a question, it's actually a buying signal, and they are showing some interest in your offer. Then we hit the send button, and you can send this to everyone in the resume section. Just look at the amount of people are on here looking for jobs and ways to make money. The amount of people in this section looking for ways to make money is crazy. And if you notice, I'm only in the Los Angeles area. You can do this across every city and even worldwide. So go ahead and try different cities. For instance, if you click Bakersfield and then click Resume, you'll see the amount of people in this city also looking to make money. This is such a simple method. However, this will get you a ton of traffic. And it's super targeted traffic as these people are wanting to make some extra money. So, spend some time on this and start emailing your link. Don't worry, I'm going to show you what affiliate program to use, which will be a perfect fit. Okay, so on to the next method. If you've used Craigslist before, you'll know you can create posts. Now what you can do is post saying you have work available. Simply choose a city where you want to post, and you want to click on the section that says gigs. You can see all the job opportunities that people are posting here. I've chosen the Bakersfield area. As you can see, there are various types of listings covering a variety of different jobs available. So now you want to go to the post area at the top right of the page and click post. Then select gig offered. And then check the button that says, I want to hire someone. Next, we select computer gigs. This will take you to the post screen where we need to enter a title and description. Again, I'll provide the template for you to use at the end of the tutorial. We simply copy the title and paste this into the header. And then the same with the description. The way the description has been written is a great example of copywriting for marketing content. One particular sentence where we say, this is not for everyone. This is a kinder reverse psychology. As people start to automatically think, why wouldn't this be for me? They become curious and want to explore the opportunity further. Okay, now where it has area in the text, we want to enter the city we are about to post in. We are also explaining there has been a presentation prepared, especially for them. Again, this personalizes the post. This is where you'll also add your affiliate link. The section where it says compensation. This just means how much will they be paid for the work. So, let's enter up to $2,000 per week. Then you enter your email address. We now click Continue. This takes us to the next page where we can add an image for your post. I would highly recommend adding an image. It helps with the click-through rate of your post. So we go to Google, search work from home, click images, and choose an image you feel works for your post. Right-click and choose Copy Image Address. We now click Add Image on Craigslist, and there we go. Your image has been uploaded. We now click Done with Images. Then we click Publish. There you go. Your first post has been created on Craigslist. I just want to point out in some cities, there is a small charge to post. For instance, to place a post in Bakersfield, they charge $3. You can either pay the small fee or simply just post in places where it's free to post. Now, the affiliate program we are going to be using is completely unique. Not only does it provide a whole host of products you can promote and earn some amazing commissions, it also offers other ways you can earn a huge income. And they pay on a weekly basis, so no waiting for monthly payments to arrive. We've created a special video that provides a full overview of the affiliate program and its features. This includes the affiliate marketing of products on the platform, how to set up funnels and landing pages. You can even create your own email addresses and run your own webinars. Or you can simply post your affiliate links and drive your customers to the product, where you will be paid when they sign up. The products available are a perfect fit for the tutorial we've just covered for Craigslist, as there are some great work from home and make money online offers we can promote. This affiliate program is so powerful. Honestly, this is an amazing opportunity to earn some serious money. And best of all, it's free to join. I'm not even posting the video on my channel, as this program is not in the mainstream, meaning it's not saturated, nor is the products it offers. I'm only providing access through the link I've provided below. Plus, you'll receive full training on how to use the affiliate platform and all the features it offers. So if you want to be a part of this unique affiliate program, click the link in the description to request access and to also receive the Craigslist templates. Please don't forget to subscribe to make sure you don't miss my new videos and updates. And please share this video if you think it'll help others. Thanks for watching.